Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Wendy Shenarigan, and we talk about everything lifestyle, renovations, um, interior decorating, anything that's going to help you with your life. That's what we talk about. So, if that's something that you are interested in, please consider subscribing, watching, and commenting and liking. And we are going to go ahead and get started with the content today. So today we're going to talk about traveling. Traveling is something that I've been doing a little bit more frequently now. And you may have seen that I have put a lot more videos around my travel vlogs and how I'm packing and the tote bags that I'm wearing in order to not wearing, but carry on bags that I'm carrying for flights and things of that nature. And it seems like you guys want to learn more about it through the algorithms. So I wanted to tell you three things that I've done to actually purchase cheaper tickets and to travel more efficiently. So let's go to number one. So, number one would be make sure that if you know about your travel 4 to 6 months in advance, go ahead and use that Google Flights application in order to start um, looking at the trends of the how much the flights will be. It is very important that you start early. You will start to understand round about the range of the how much the flight is going to be. They will send you, make sure you click that option for them to send you an email to let you know when prices have changed. It is going to be very critical for you to understand that range because you can jump on it immediately when you see something, a flight that has dipped. They will dip periodically throughout those 4 to 6 months. It is key that you go ahead and try to look at those prices at least weekly, or they will do it for you by sending you that email. Or I don't know if they have a text option, but I use the email option. A really good thing about that too is they give you the range, what the flights have been historically. You will have to do some research. You will have to do some research. You have a lot of great options. You can choose the different airlines that you would like. I prefer either Delta, United, or American. But Spirit always have the cheapest ones. If you're trying to just do something domestic and something quick, Spirit is the way to go. Um, so number one would be use that Google Flight option. I'll try to put a video on here so that way you can see how you can sign up, or not really, it's not really a sign up, but how you can start your tracking for those flights. It's really simple. It's easy. Start super early. That's going to be the key. All right, so I was able to just record my screen and I went to Google Flights and I'm putting just a regular destination and you can type in your destination right there. Sometimes you're able to leave it blank and you're just able to actually leave your dates blank to your destination. You can kind of see a range of where you could go and how cheap it would be without putting a date range. And you can see that each date, there is a price for each date. You can scroll down and see which months are cheaper than others and which days within the month are cheaper or more expensive than others. So I'm just going to randomly pick September. So now that I've chosen my dates, I've chosen my dates, we can scroll down a little bit and it gives you a lot of different options. You have different airlines you can choose from. It provides you the range of when, if it allows you to see the range of where the prices are high versus when they're low. Right now, for this specific date, they are high. Could be because it's a little bit too far in advance. Right now, I'm filming this video the beginning of May. You can also see the price graphs. You can see the different dates, and there I chose to track my prices. That's what I was referring to earlier, where you can email yourself. They will email you when there are changes in the price of the flight. There are other ways where you can filter to see specific airlines that you would prefer to fly with. Like I said earlier, I am an American, Delta, and United person, so I'm able to choose those airlines and then see the prices for them. So again, it is so important that use this tool. It's a free tool. You do not have to pay for it, and use this tool in order to really look to see which dates and which flights are the cheapest, and then go to those airlines and purchase your ticket. Hope this helps.
No time can separate our love, no matter how hard it was. I'll never put nobody above. Unbreakable, unbreakable.
So once you see the flight that you want and the hours look great for you, the price looks good, I do not suggest that you go to Expedia nor any of those affiliate sites. Here's why. When there will be flight changes, flight cancellations, and when that happens and you need to get someone on the phone because you need to adjust your flight or cancel a flight, Expedia is going to take them forever. Flights.com forever. So it is important, and I suggest that once you find your flight on Google Flights, make sure you go to the airline's website to purchase the flights. Then you will be able to either rebook or change your flight at the airport with their customer service, or you can call it the 1-800 number and change your flight, and it'll be much more easy. And a lot of times, because if it's their fault for any different reason, you'll be able to change the flight for free. If you go to Expedia or any of those other sites, you will not be able to. And there's nothing more crazy or frustrating than you being stuck at an airport and you have to wait online for 20 minutes to change your flight, and you see everyone else have already changed their flight. And guess what? By the time you can get to a customer service representative, the flight is booked. So make sure you purchase your flight with the airline. All right, here is number 3. Number 3, once you've decided to purchase your flight with the airline, please make sure you sign up for those rewards or apply for or get a travel card. Now, what we have American Express, and American Express has a wonderful travel card where you're able to get 4 to 5 times the points, and within a certain amount of time, you're able to upgrade with your points. You're able to have statement credits with your points. And if you're not an avid credit card user, you can still use the reward points at the airlines that you're purchasing from. Try to stick to 2 to 3 airlines that you frequent more often and use their point system. I have upgraded to first class with my point system before. I've upgraded to business class with my point system before. So, and I don't travel as much as some other people, but accumulating those points is pretty easy, and you can do it pretty quickly, to be honest with you. So I would suggest to do that. Don't be afraid when you hear it on the sound system when you're in a flight on a flight. Hey, sign up for rewards. Sign up for rewards. Make sure you do it. Excuse me, it's allergy season, so you're just gonna have to get this froggy sound voice that I have. I haven't been on the screen in such a long time, and I missed you guys, so I wanted to make sure you guys could see my face. Also wanted to tell you that if you're traveling domestic, you don't have to check your bags. There are so many different luggage options that you can use, where you can use carry-on. I would suggest to use carry-ons and use those square travel pieces, and I'll put the link to those in my description box, because you can pack so much in those travel pieces that I got from Amazon. I'm going to try to also link the video that I did where I packed at least 7 to 8 outfits in those travel squares. So hopefully you can hit that, and that way you can see that it truly does work. Please do not check your bags. It also, by not checking your bags, allows you to go through the security and get to your gate much quicker, because there's always a long line at the airport. So make sure you use a carry-on bag. So that's it for me, you guys. I just wanted to give you those pretty simple guidelines there. I know this may be something that, for people who are frequent travelers, you already know, but there are people out there that are about to start traveling and they don't know this information. I had to learn this on my own and searching YouTube and just trial and error. So I felt like this may be a great video for you. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and let me know what you do in order to kind of go through the airport and travel a little bit more efficiently and save a little bit money. Thank you so much, and peace.